Hi, welcome to PH Maths. Today we're talking about the quadratic formula, the tool that solves any quadratic equation. It's usually given in the exam, but if you don't learn it and spend some time thinking about it, you won't know how to use it. And using it isn't actually that hard, but there are a few pitfalls and common mistakes people make. I'd highly recommend memorizing it and then take it slowly, writing it down in stages as you go. By the end of this, you'll know the formula, the sign of B-trap, and exactly when no real solutions exist. So let's have a look at it. So for any quadratic in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. That's the formula. Identify a, b, and c, plug them in and simplify. And remember, it is 2a on the bottom, not a single a. And the plus or minus gives you two solutions in one expression. If you get a negative number inside your square root, do go back and check your working. Some quadratics do have a negative value in the square root, but they won't come up in the exam. Key insight: the plus or minus produces two answers, one with plus, one with minus. If the discriminant, that's the b squared minus 4ac, is positive, you get two real solutions. If it's 0, you get one repeated. If it's negative, there are no real solutions exist. Always check the sign of b. It's the easiest place to make a mistake. Common mistake: sign of b. For x squared minus 3x plus 2, b equals minus 3. So minus b equals plus 3. Get that sign right and the rest will follow. And the 2a in the denominator divides the entire numerator, both the minus b and the square root, not just one of them. And as mentioned earlier, remember it's 2a, not a single a. Quick example: solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals 5, c equals 6. Plug in x equals minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 24, all over 2. That's minus 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So x equals minus 2 or minus 3. Done.